3 ways today of how you can use he aha. He aha means what? Okay, now if you want to ask somebody what's the problem, he aha te mate. Mate does mean death, but in the home and in most situations, it simply means what is the problem or problem. He aha te mate. What is the problem? Number 2 is he aha mau. What is it to you? You're talking to one kid, then another kid chimes in on the side trying to get in that action, and you say he aha mau. What's it to you? Go back and do what you were doing. I'm talking to your brother or your sister. He aha mau. Number 3 is he aha I pēnai. Why did you do that? And there you have it, whānau. 3 ways to use he aha or what at home with the kids. If you like this and you find it useful, appreciate the likes, appreciate the follow, and if you want to help spread te reo Māori, then just give it a simple share. Whai mai ia whānau reo, Mauri ora.